Pozdrav svima ljudi, Muđa ovdje i ljudi, dobrodošli u novi klip i ljudi, danas nastavljamo sa GTA peticom ljudi moji i ljudi, kao što možete da vidite, sada smo Michael i ajmo ovdje da prođemo. Ja mislim da smo ovdje čak prošli u prvoj misiji i ovdje su bila neka dobra auta. Da, sad ih više nema. Ok, znači danas smo Michael ljudi moji i imamo neku misiju na Slovo, to je kod njega kući. Tako da obeležit ćemo to tu i ajmo dokradamo neki auto pa da idemo do Michaela. Može sviđa mi se ovaj auto. Inače ljudi, kako ste mi vi, šta radite mene, znači jutro se ja otišao do prodavnice i obode me 8. Znači ja sam se izgubio totalno, BM je dete da je BM. I za svaki slučaj otišao do doktora, rekli su da je sve super, sad ne znam kako mi je lice, ali osjećam se nekako naduvano. Od ose. I tako to i tako to. Ide mi na žicu ovo. Ok, idemo do, kako se zove, idemo do, kako se zove, do Michaela, da vidimo šta se tamo dešava kod njega kući. Sada on mi je nekako mnogo daleko. Dehte. Sad ću da stignem ja. Uopšte. Ovaj auto je mnogo spor. Inače ljudi, uopšte nisam upalio u GTA 5, ja ne znam koliko ima, brate, kad smo zadnji put izbacili neku misiju u GTA 5-ici, a kamo i zeznju gradu, tako da vidjet ćemo, Luka, Bogdan i ja, kada ćemo da snimimo malo zeznja, pošto davno to nismo snimali. Ima dosta novih fora, ja mislim stigli su dosta novih update-a na kompu za GTA 5, pa moramo da vidimo šta to ima novo, pa da snimimo i malo zeznje po gradu. A sada idemo, o jebi, kaj policija mi juri, da fuck brate, zašto me policija sad juri? Da će stignemo pre policije kod nas u kuću. Yeah, bitches, znate kad će me nađete, nikad. Ok, stigli smo. Ajmo da vidimo šta se dešava. Ok, idemo da vidimo. Ok. The fuck? Gleda film čovjek. I šta sad ovo, cijela misija je da on odgleda film. Zaspa. Evo ga njegov sin.
Hey. I'm sorry I spiked you, okay? I get so mad and I can't control things, and then, you know, shit just falls on top of me. My life sucks right now and I don't know what to do except I want to say I love you and hug it out. But all that wimpy shit is just, well, I'd say gay, but I have some friends who are gay, so that's not cool anymore. And the ones that I don't really like, it's not because they're gay. So, lame, all right? You are just a lame and angry psycho sometimes. You do bad shit and things. I don't know if I love you, and I'm pretty sure I hate you a little bit, but I'm just so fucking upset that we can't even see each other. And you're just a drunk, lame dad.
Oh.
You know what? That might just be the nicest thing anybody's ever said to me.
So will you buy me a car?
What?
I mean, not in this so will you buy me a car kind of way, in a completely off-topic, can you buy me a car? I mean, firstly, I'm a fat shit that you ruined. And secondly, I will get a job, and I will stop smoking pot, in that sort of way, okay?
I love you too, son. Now, go. Get a job, because I don't have the money to buy you a car. Besides which way, I'm probably gonna be dead in a couple weeks anyway.
Please don't die, okay? Yeah, it's great catching up with you too, Dad.
Yeah.
Ovo je jedan veoma lep razgovor s
How's your
ocem.
mother?
Oh, she's great. No, she's not. She's bored. I mean, all this mesmerizing tantric sex she's been having with a much younger, better built, caring and compassionate man is great and all, but what's she gonna do for the other 6 hours of the day?
What the fuck?
I'm just winding you up, you miserable bastard. She's mad at you. She's scared that you're gonna die, and she wants you to go over there and prove that you give a fuck.
Alright, alright, alright! I can take a fucking hint! Let's go. We get Tracy on the way.
Tracy, on the other hand, she's a star. Sort of.
The fuck?
Mom said
Okay.
she was at Bean Machine.
Go to Bean Machine. Ok, izgleda ovo neće bude neka akcija ili tako nešto. Ali bit će neka dobra misija. Tako da ulazimo u ovaj bijeli auto što smo malo prije došli njemu.
What's been happening?
You know, I don't know, stuff.
No, I don't know.
Well, what's been happening with you?
Thanks.
It's anyone's guess.
Yeah. Yeah, I get it.
You were out of the city? Oh, okay. Here
Okay.
they are.
Caffeine, come on. Your colon has been sluggish for weeks.
A little bit less lifestyle guru and a little bit more boy toy.
Excuse me, I'm trying to write a screenplay
Shush,
here.
woman.
Hey, Amanda. Fabian.
Michael?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Jimmy.
These two, a picture of holistic well-being, I don't think.
Hey.
Maybe they shit once a year between them.
Oh!
That's my son!
Amanda, come. I have a new unitard on hold. You must pay for it.
Hey,
Hey.
buddy. I'm gonna ask politely that you show my wife a little respect.
Red meat has been blocking your chi as well as your digestive tract.
Ubi ga preko pičku.
I'm gonna ask you one time, nicely.
Michael, just hit him, please.
Shush, woman!
Anything for you, sweetheart.
What are you
Dobre, pukni ga mamicu u njegovu.
really good work there, you dick!
There's a lot more where that came from, Holmes.
Is he alive?
Yeah, he's fine. Listen, Amanda. I'm meaning to say to you, I just...
What he's trying to say, Mom, is that he's a pathetic, old, drunken mess, and he needs you. And you could do a lot better than a prima donna yoga instructor with an anal fixation.
Someone
Shut up!
Au, brate, ovdje se neka stvarno luda dešavaju.
All I'm asking for is a shot.
Neutral ground. Dr. Friedlander's office.
It's perfect. All of us. I'll pick up Tracy and bring her there. Meet you?
Fine.
Ok.
Alright, you. Come on. Get up, you idiot.
Yoga?
No. No yoga.
All right. You know where your sister is, right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Wait, but what about that sugar, caffeine, and emulsified pig fat flavored beverage I want?
Another time.
Oh,
Come on.
Ok, idemo sad šta da radimo, spasimo Stacy.
I think Tracy's over at the tattoo
Tracy.
parlor.
What the fuck? Ok, moram izgleda ovaj auto dođu. Evo.
What? Tracy's getting another tattoo.
No, oh God, no. That Laszlo guy's there.
Laszlo, that asshole. What's he want?
It's Tracy that wants something. She wants to get back on Fame or Shame after you and Uncle T cut her cameo short.
Well, maybe we ought to help her out with that.
Maybe we oughta.
Hey, let me ask you. Back there with your mom. That went okay, didn't it?
Anything that ends with Fabian's burst eardrum is more than okay with me.
Yeah, I mean
Okay.
with me and your mom.
I think it's an important first step in, like, the direction of okay.
Okay.
If you know what I mean. Here's the tattoo shop.
Idemo da vidimo. Gde je Tracy? Sad ćemo je bemo mamu koja dira.
I'm looking for something hip that, says I'm capable of violence, but I'm awesome in the sack. So listen, babe, if you want to make it in Vinewood, you gotta do whatever it takes. Even if whatever it takes is a depressed borderline alcoholic who hosts the third most popular talent show amongst the 40-year-old female demographic.
So, you'll let me on the show if I blow you?
Yes, and if you could wear some black lipstick, the little guy loves the goth vibe.
Oh,
Whoa!
Laszlo.
Dude, that was entirely out of context, bro.
Jim, you find the Inkslinger, sit on him. Laszlo here's gonna have a little cosmetic work done.
No, please.
whoa, stay put, you lame ass Mark.
Sure, kid.
What?
You're not gonna get me up Prince
Ok,
Albert,
Pierce,
are you?
Laszlo, eyebrow. Ne, ajmo eyebrow. Ajmo.
Are you
Ah!
tent over here? Fucking psycho!
Ah, sad to mi
Makeup
treba.
is gonna have a field day.
Nose,
Leave me
tako
alone,
se radi.
fucking hipster. Ah, ugh.
I na kraju ear. Bam, brat.
Oh, that looks pretty. Here, let's get rid of this.
To.
God, Papa Bear, what's Daddy number 2?
Legni dole.
About this?
Let's not get him involved.
Let's do. If I knew I was getting this
To
much
do
work
us
done,
of
I would have
chest.
brought a
Ajde.
camera crew.
Idemo sad.
Look, are you gonna tell me what you're drawing, or is it a surprise? Just so you know, I've got a beachwear photo shoot next week.
Okej.
You butcher!
Ladno sam ja to teo i da uradim, jebote. Da fuck, ovaj Michael tačno zna šta hoćemo da radimo.
How about I draw those 3 little pubic hairs on here, too? There we go.
To mi treba.
Like a camera phone or a mirror, I can.
Oh, yeah, I'll get you a mirror. Smash you over the head with it. That's
Fuck
better. Snip, snip.
This is a real
To mi
one-stop
reci, to mi
shop.
reci. Sad, da vidimo šta
You
će sad
fucking
raditi.
asshole, I'm a celebrity.
Yeah! Ode kosa.
No, that's my signature, my ponytail. Now I gotta get extensions.
No, what you gotta get is my daughter, whatever she wants.
Yeah, without sucking on your piddle stick.
Look, okay, guys, that was a joke. I'm a clown. I'm a sad, lonely little clown.
You're gonna put her on your show, and you're gonna make sure she looks good.
Look, okay, I got a lot of juice in this town, but I mean, I'm not a miracle.
Just do it!
Yeah.
All right, Trace, let's go.
Ovo sine šta radi ovaj Michael kad se nervira, brate, ovo je dobro.
I'll like call you or something, okay? Bye.
There's never a family that needs therapy.
Brate.
How do I look? It's not good, is it?
Who
Nije
knew
dobro
you
uopšte,
could use a
brate.
tattoo gun?
It's one of those skills
Okay.
you pick up in prison. You know, inking your name on your celly's ass.
Ew. Are you serious?
Ok, idemo sad kod tu
Not
Friedlander's
difficult, but your
office.
therapist hasn't exactly been transformational to your mental health. So I don't know why he'd be
Ali
better
ovo
positioned
daleko si nemoj mi malo da
for
putujemo.
dysfunctionals.
Hey, this was your mother's idea.
Well, I guess it beats yoga.
Pop, now he beats yoga. Literally. Like Fabian, around the head with the laptop? Oh yeah, like, ow! Our old man released the dude's inner tranquility all over the bean machine patio.
To be honest, and I know
Okay.
it's karmically bad, but yeah, I fucking hate
Ja
that.
bukvalno ništa nisam komentarisao cijelu epizodu, brate, znači ovaj Michael nije normalan, to mogu da kažem odmah. Ali neću komentarišem dok oni pričaju, kao što sad radim, zato što ono, bitno mi je da znate o čemu se radi, bitno mi je da kapirate priču.
Guy was talking smack to your mother.
Well, I applaud you, Pop.
Here. You're like finally like using your powers of selfishness and rage for like good. Not
Fuck off!
an objective universal good, but like a subjective what's in our best interest kind of good.
Fuck yeah! Awesome! Let's rob somebody! Ha!
Do it, Dad!
Okej,
Dad! Do it! Do it!
Enough, okay? I love that we're,
Screw you!
I love that we're
okej,
getting
to je ovamo
along,
dole.
but knock it off.
Yeah, don't like actually rob a liquor store. That might like kill the mood.
Fucking therapy. Let's do that shit.
Okej,
Lunatic!
Hey, how
stigli
about
smo.
you just let your mom and me talk, okay?
Michael, kids,
Okej,
let's go inside. Okay.
okej, idemo unutra. Šta sad? What the fuck?
Amanda!
Hello.
Good to see
Oh,
you again.
ciao.
Michael, I'm so glad. Isn't this
Cijela familija došla.
Fantastic.
Michael, be positive.
I am being positive. This is me being positive.
Give it up, Michael. The sarcasm. It's one of the reasons I moved out. It's beneath you.
No, it's not, Amanda. Trust me. Nothing's beneath me.
No, normally there's a whore beneath you.
You know, for someone who spends every waking moment working on themselves inside and out, I gotta tell you, the progress has been really fucking slow.
How would you know what progress is like, you stupid murdering shit?
Gee, because all you do is whine at me.
Oh, all I do is whine. Michael, could you please stop murdering people? Michael, could you please stop endangering me and the the both of your children. You kill people, and then you sit in the sun and drink and feel guilty about it. That is not work.
I don't see you complaining on the way to the fucking bank.
Oh. Yes. Reci kurvi.
Listen, Amanda, we're trailer trash, you and me. We were taught to do this.
Get a center, Michael. You have no center.
How about you suck my cock? Huh? No, wait. We'll both get a center before that ever happens.
You are such a fucking animal, a deranged animal.
You fucking ain't right on deranged. How could I not be?
I should have had you locked up years ago, you stupid
Do it.
shit.
Do it. I'll put you in the fucking ground with the rest of them.
And that's really
Brate, koji kralj.
Oh,
Great.
I think we made some real progress there.
Ja ne verujem.
Michael, I hope this goes without saying, but family work is a little more expensive.
What, double?
Squared.
Of course.
Take care now.
Hey, so you gonna come home with me or what?
guess we'll give it a try.
Hvala lepo.
Alright.
Znači, rekao ženi da će da je ubije i ona je došla kod njega kući. To je gentleman.
So, will you drive us home?
Ok, idemo kući. Ono što mogu da kažem jeste da ova misija, znači nije bila nikakve akcije, ali me toliko iznenadila. Samo to što su ludi skroz, znači ja ne mogu da verujem.
Time to move beyond screaming at each other.
That was cathartic.
Catharsis all over my face.
Ooh, I got a warm, fuzzy feeling.
Probably just the meds you raided.
Okay. Cathartic. All right. I just don't want it to be more of the same.
Now you're the one making the demands?
No, not demands. I'm saying you're right. Something was broke, and we gotta work at fixing it.
We do. All of us.
Fuck.
Yes, Mom.
For real, peeps.
Because I started to understand something in there. No one else gets this family. Not Dr. Friedlander, or my yoga teacher, or our tennis coach, or the juice guy, or the dog walker.
Oh, hey.
Or Jimmy's third grade teacher.
Or the trash guy.
Or Dad's proctologist.
Or the guy that thinks he's Jesus on Vespucci Beach.
Or the hippie bum who thinks the world is ending.
We're stuck with each other. I mean, how do you explain faking our deaths, changing our names, all the lying to the FIB? That monster, Trevor?
There's no explaining Uncle T.
Hey, is he coming to the next therapy session?
What? No! Jeez!
Just one thing, Michael. Don't get us killed. And don't get killed. Can you do that?
I'll try. Iskreno pokušat ću.
Rooms. If you find dead bodies, cheap women, or Trevor Phillips, we're checking into the Rockford Hills Hotel.
Ok, super. Ja mislim da bi to bilo to, a? Jest. Reuniting the family. Ok, ljudi, krenulo je sve na bolje. Hvala svima što ste pogledali ovaj klip. Ovo je bilo neverovatno, znači ja ne mogu da verujem. I nastavljamo u sljedećem klipu kao... Šta je ovo? Vjerojatno Trevor. What the fuck? Lik je u gaćama. I lik je pobio neke ljude ovdje. Su oni mrtvi? What the fuck? Sve ih je pobio. I još je pijan. Okej. To ćemo raditi u sljedećem klipu. Već šta, nemam pojma, ja nastavljamo dalje. To bi bilo to, ljudi, hvala svima što ste pogledali klip, ako vam se svidio ostavite like, share i subscribe, meni iskreno ova misija se mnogo svidjela zato što su bili presmiješni kao neka serija, znači ovo je nevjerojatno. I ljudi, nastavljamo u sljedećem klipu kao Trevor Phillips, kao što možete vidjeti, on je totalno ubijen od života. Veliki pozdrav za sve vas i hop.